SEO is crucial for improving the visibility of your WordPress website on search engines like Google. Here's a basic guide on how to optimize your WordPress website for SEO. Install an SEO plugin. First, install an SEO plugin like Yoast SEO or RankMath to make the optimization process easier. These plugins guide you in optimizing your content and settings. Optimize content. Keywords. Use relevant keywords in your page titles, headers, and content. Tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ubersuggest can help find keywords. Title tags and meta descriptions. Ensure each page and post has a unique title and meta description. These are visible in search engine results. URL structure. Use clean, readable URLs. Avoid long, complex URLs with unnecessary numbers or symbols. Improve site speed. A fast website improves user experience and ranking. Use caching plugins like W3 Total Cache or WP Rocket to speed up your site. Compress images using plugins like Smoosh. Mobile optimization. Ensure your website is mobile-friendly, as Google prioritizes mobile-optimized websites in its rankings. Most modern WordPress themes are responsive, but double-check on different devices. Link building. Earn high-quality backlinks from reputable websites to improve authority. Guest blogging or content marketing can help achieve this.